Madison and Garett, the church shares your joy and warmly welcomes you together with your friends and family.
Garett, my first love, my best friend, and soon-to-be husband. Today is our wedding day. I can't believe this day is finally here. I love you. Throughout the past 9 years, our lives have been full of laughter, joy, memories, growth, a couple of tears, but most importantly, it has been full of love. Words cannot describe what you mean to me. You are my everything. You are my every good morning and every good night. You're my every memory I want to fill my life with.
Madison, today is finally the day. I'm so excited that our wedding day is finally here. I can't wait to see you walk down that long church aisle in just a few short aisles in your magnificent white dress. You'll look stunning, I know.
Everything I could ever love, everything that I could possibly dream of. I could go on forever about everything I love about you. I love the way you make me smile on my worst days, your patience with my crazy dreams, the way you protect the people you love, and the way you unapologetically love me. The best part about falling in love with you at 15 is being able to watch you grow from a young, immature teenager to this amazing, hardworking, selfless man.
We've been together for a long 9 years, but I knew you were my forever after that first night we hung out after the football game. The stressful long nights, nail biting, hair pulling, time crunching, planning, and everything in between is over.
We have created many memories throughout these past 9 years, and I can't wait to make a lifetime more. Today you become my husband not only because I love you, but I can't imagine living this life without you. As we have said from the beginning, you'll forever be my always. Well, today you officially become my forever and always. I love you.
We've conquered becoming puppy parents, buying our first house, and today we'll be able to add newlyweds. I can't wait to officially call you my wife, even though I've been calling you that for the last 2 years. Madison, you'll forever be my always, and I love you so much.
My great joy to introduce you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Garett Mickey.
Say I love you often, hold hands, and find joy in all the little things life has to offer. You both are so very blessed to have each other. Wishing you a lifetime of love, adventure, and happiness. We love you.
Thank you.
I believe the rains are coming. Wait, I know it seems like miles and miles away, but I believe that everything's about to change. You could be my open skies, and I could be a wildflower.
Being able to call you both a friend is a privilege that I've come to know as a blessing. I want to wish you both all the happiness, laughter, and love in the world throughout your marriage. To the bride and the groom.
You're both so selfless and always willing to help other people. You both truly deserve each other, and watching your love grow over the past 9 years has been amazing to watch. I can't wait to see what's next for you both in the future. I'd like to propose a toast to my best friend and his beautiful wife, to a long life, memories, adventure, and happiness. Cheers, everyone.